whether it's in studio or on location. Hello, my name is Trevor Henley, and I am the inspirational activist, founder, and executive director of Desire to Inspire Studios Foundation. I have been a portrait photographer since 1999, doing it professionally. And my claim to fame is that I can make anyone smile within 30 seconds and click the camera at the right time. In studio, I utilize one main light, which is my key light, as the main sun. And then I usually set up a second light as my second sun. And it's usually a little bit softer to add a little bit more of the shadows and contrast between the two sides of a face. Positioning is critical. You'll see if you see one of the portrait sessions that I do, it's everything from here to 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 here, and then we switch over and we do it again, here, 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 here. Now, it's so subtle that you wouldn't think that it makes that much of a difference. But the difference between this and sitting up tall, bringing your shoulders back, finding the arm position, the different arm positions, if you can kind of see my shoulders shift on each one of those positions, it gives the whole body the feel, the energy of the person to shine through in the photo that we take. So really one of the biggest things about doing portraits is I shoot everything on fully manual. I shoot manual f-stop, manual ISO, manual focus. Nothing is automatic because I don't believe the camera will do what I want it to do unless I control it. What that allows me to do and what it allows our apprentices to do when they're learning photography is it takes all the guesswork out of the camera and out of the shoot when you have everything fully set on manual. Then all it is an engagement between you and the subject. You're connecting with them. The idea is to find out who they are in the shortest amount of time possible, find out what makes them tick, find out why they're here this day, find out what their biggest fear about photography or having their photo taken is. I think the biggest number one thing you can do is just take photos. Practice, 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 and don't be afraid to screw up. It's so much fun to watch people not only smile from the heart while they're taking the photo, but when they're getting back and they're looking at it and they're going, man, that is me. I love this. I can't wait to share this with the world. Right here at Desire to Inspire Studios is a great place to practice. We offer a lot of opportunities that are low risk, high impact for you to be able to try your hand at portrait work. From everything, we'll set up the lighting to where we can just put people in front of you so you can get practice engaging with them and clicking the camera.